Let's get started with an overview of your signing packages. From the dashboard, navigate to the Signing Packages section and click New. From here, you will always be taken on a step-by-step process for each package that you start. Step 1 is to select the package type you are wanting to create, or you can select an already existing template. Concurrent packages will send documents to recipients for signing in any order. Each recipient will sign the same copy of the document. Then the entire set of completed documents are merged together in one finalized document. Sequential packages allow you to send documents to recipients in a specific order of signing. Each recipient will sign the same copy of the document and will be notified when it is their turn. Then again, the entire set of completed documents are merged together in one finalized document. Group send packages send a copy of each document to a group all at once. Each signer gets their own version of the document to sign. The video signing room package is what most notaries understand as a remote online notarization ability. This package allows you to schedule an online meeting with one or more signers where you can share and record the signing session via secure video conferencing technology. Let's start with concurrent packages. After selecting the package type, Step 2 will be brought forward for editing. At any point, if you need to go back or cancel, just use the navigation button on the top right of your screen. You will also notice that Steps 3 and 4 are available as well. You can complete these steps in any sequence, but we recommend you go step by step until you are comfortable with the process. Let's bring our attention back to Step 2. This is where we will customize our concurrent package. The only mandatory fields in this step are the package name and sign by date. Everything else is optional. Once you have filled out the appropriate fields for your package, you are ready to adjust your default signing settings at the bottom of Step 2. You'll notice the ability to toggle on and off various settings for multi-factor authentication, signature styles, notification options, editing abilities, security items, and some advanced settings. The multi-factor authentication allows the ability to have signers verify their identity by entering a security code sent to their mobile phone or a passphrase shared with them. You'll have to choose one or the other. If you select the passphrase option, your signer will have 5 attempts to enter the correct passphrase prior to entering the document. Let's look at the signature options. You have 1 mandatory signing type and 2 optional signature types. The inkjet type allows signers to write authentic Singraphy ink signatures every time from their mobile device, tablet, or touch screen computer. This signature type is mandatory with all packages. The type signature type is optional and allows signers to sign with a custom version of their typed name. The accepted signature type is also optional and allows signers to sign by using a standard Singraphy electronic signature, very similar to their very own digital certificate. The Notifications tab shows toggling options for status updates on your documents. You can determine whether you'd like to be notified when signers open a document and when they sign a document. You can also determine if you'd like to attach the signed documents in future notifications after they've been signed. The All Signers toggle button will send all signers a notification after every signer has signed a document. The Editing tab allows you to control how much editing power your signers have. You can control whether they can add additional fields, add additional signatures, text boxes, or images. The Security tab provides toggling options for additional security features. The Advanced tab provides options for selecting the color of signatures, flattening form fields, enhancing privacy, adding a QR code identifier, and executing the compliance audit certificate. We'll revisit those in a minute. Until then, let's move on to Step 3. Step 3 is where we add and modify our signers and recipients. You can add yourself by clicking the Add Me button. As you type in the fields, the system will pull information from your Contact section for easy selection. After all fields are completed, you have the option of determining whether the individual you just added is a signer or simply a recipient that just needs a copy of the document. You can click the appropriate radio button to make that determination. Once you're done, click Add and move on to Step 4. Step 4 is where you add your documents. When we use the term document, we are not referring to one single page. We are referring to the file. You can drag and drop your files or use the upload directory to select the document files you want to include. Each file must be under 25 megabytes. Once you are done, click Next.